see reality. Whoa, that's yours, but I'll keep doing mine. You'll be living your good life. Catch a glimpse from the outside, then you see me now, see me now, see now.
For the pack, take 2-3 spoons of grinded green leaves. So green leaves have been powdered well, and I am using that. To that I am adding, so I took 2-3 spoons more than that, because we may apply also for the neck. And for that I am using rose water. The fact was, this powdered green tea absorbs the rose water, so I didn't find that first. So I was doing again and again. I was not getting the exact consistency because it was absorbing the rose water. So almost I poured much and much of water. Then I found that okay, it's not working, so I added water to it and I found it. So I am giving you information. Better you use water instead of rose water. If you want to have rose water's smell or fragrance, or if you want some goodness of that too, just have a pinch of it, because anyhow it's going to absorb it, so water will do. That's what I made. Alas, with water only I made a consistency, better consistency. So it almost drank half of my rose water, so it's a complete waste. Then none other pack has done this to me till now. Okay, then yes, I was applying it. It was really hard to apply with a brush, so I applied with my hands. I don't know, many of the packs are hard to be applied with brush because of their compound or elements they are made of. My brush almost went, the shape of it was changed. It was like, it was really different. This pack was different from all the other packs I tried. So I applied it and I kept it for 15 minutes. So that's it. You can have a view. So for people who are new to this channel, there are videos explaining you the importance and formation of green teas, and also 7-day green tea package challenges. This is the 7th day. So we have had other packages, how we made it. So try them all. This is also good, and yes, the after results will be known soon. And also I will attach all the packages videos in description. You can view from that, or else you can go to my channel and go to the playlist, and from there you can view. It wasn't hard while applying, it was okay, but with a brush I found it hard because these packs got indulged into my brush. So my after results after using the green tea face mask was, yes, my face was okay. It was a bit bright and okay. Other than that, I have pimples now because of my periods and things. I'm having pimples now. It's not due to the mask which I used. And what else I would love to say is, yes, while washing my face, after applying it, after keeping it for 15 minutes or something, when I washed my face, what I first experienced was, it was very soft. So to touch my face, I felt it very, very soft and very gentle. I just loved it. I thought it's going to make miracle to my face. It was like that. But after wash was not that. It didn't make much miracle, but okay. My face was bright and it's nice. Yes, it was good. I didn't have any side effects or anything. So you to try it out. That's it. See you with another video. Bye.